You're about to learn a trick in which the spectator finds their own chosen card, and then there's a crazy prediction to end it all. So let's get straight into the trick. Alright, what I'm going to do is show you guys a quick performance of the trick. So what I would simply do is have the spectator call stop whenever they'd like. So let's say they say stop right here. I would simply have them take a look at the card. So in this case, it is the 9 of clubs. Now what I would do is make sure that they really memorize that card. What I would do is flip that card over and simply put it inside the pack, or inside the card box, and leave it on the side. Now, what I would have the spectator do, and this would be the spectator, but obviously I have to be the spectator for this trick. So what I would have them do is cut the deck anywhere they'd like. So for this instance, they cut it right there. And what I would do is go ahead and mark the spot that they cut to. Now, their card was the 9 of clubs, I believe. Now if we take a look at the spot that they cut to, actually just happens to be the 9 of clubs. Now, if the 9 of clubs is here, then what is in the card box? Now remember, I didn't touch this at all, but if we take a look at it, it actually says your card is the 9 of clubs. Alright guys, so that's the trick. Let's get straight into the tutorial. Alright guys, so I hope you like the trick. So what I'm going to do is show you guys exactly what to do. So first, you're probably going to need a blank card. So your card is the 9 of clubs. It doesn't matter what the card is that you write on here. You can get blank cards pretty cheap on Amazon or something. You can get a whole deck of them. I'd actually recommend getting one of those. It's nice to have, and you can do that for certain effects as well, not only this trick. Now once you have your blank card and you write your card is whatever card that you choose to do, you want to set this card on top of the deck, and then whatever that card was that you said, put that one on top of the deck. Now what you're going to do is force the card to the spectator. So I'm just going to give you guys a pretty simple card force. What you're going to do is cut the deck in half and leave a pinky break right at the spot that you cut to. So basically what you're going to do is, like I said, just swing cut that, keep your pinky right there, and close everything up, leaving that break right there. Now what you're going to do is square everything up and hold it so that you can't really see that line in the middle. And now what you're going to do is have the spectator call stop whenever they'd like. They say stop. Now what you're going to do here is take your middle finger and put it through like this, slide it through, giving the illusion that you're going to cut the cards right where they stopped. But really what you're going to do is go like this, close everything up, and then just pick up right from the pinky break and go right there. So that's going to be the card that you're forcing. Now I'll do that one more time. Cut the deck, get a pinky break, tell them when to stop, slide your middle finger, close everything up, and then give them the card to look at. Now once they've seen their card, you're going to cut this one to the top so that your prediction is on top. Now once they look at the card, this is a move that you're going to have to do next. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to use your clothes or something, usually either your leg or just part of your shirt. And what you're going to do is push the top card off with your thumb about halfway. Now I'm going to use the table as the example, but like I said, usually you use your shirt or your leg. And what you're going to do is just use it to flip that card over like this. So then it's flipped over on top of the deck. I'll show that one more time. Just push that card off against your shirt or pants, flip it over, and then just get a pinky break right under it. That's all you're going to need to do. It's pretty simple. Just practice it a few times until you get it. Now what you're going to do is obviously don't come out like this, but you're going to have your hand tilted over, take their card back, place it against the top card just like that, and then bring the packet right up. So you're going to want to do this quickly so that you're not like suspiciously going like this and then turning it over. You want to just quickly turn it over pretty fast, just like that. Now what you're going to do is a double lift and just flip both of those cards over. Now they're going to think you're taking their card, but in reality it's this card. What you're going to do is put it in the card box. You can put it in a card box or have them put it in their hand or whatever. I would do a card box just because if they peek at it, that's going to ruin the trick obviously. You just never know what people are going to do. So what you're going to do is put the prediction in the card box, and now their card is on top of the deck. Now this is going to be an extremely easy force once again, and this looks super fair. I've done this cut a million times and no one's ever caught me on it. Now what you're going to do is have the spectator cut the deck anywhere they'd like and just put it to the side. That's exactly what you're going to tell them to do. And once they put it to the side, you just take the other packet and just crisscross it right on top. And now, while they think you just cut that's the card they cut to, and you want to say that verbally, now I'm going to mark the spot that you cut to and maybe even point to that card just to make sure they're not suspicious. But all you've done is just made that the top card. So I'll show that again, just so you guys have it. Cut the deck, then take the other packet and just put it right there. All that's done is marked the top card. Now you can reveal this however you want, have them look at it, and then they reveal that it's their chosen card. Now once you see this, you're going to want to say something along the lines of, now if your card is here, what's in the box? Because obviously that's what they're wondering then, because they think you just put their card in the box in the beginning, but now it's here obviously. And now you come to the box, you come out here and show the prediction written on the card. This is a super good trick, kind of like a transposition ish, but there's also a prediction effect in there. So I hope you guys like this trick. That's about it for the video. I'll see you guys next time.